U.S. Navy SEAL training is often considered the toughest military training in the entire world. Candidates who want to earn their trident must be in peak physical shape in a multitude of areas. One such area that deters and weeds out a lot of people from becoming a SEAL is the water. From long-distance swims, treading with weight, drown-proofing, to underwater knot tying, candidates need to show proficiency in the water like no other. And that's where ATACLETE's The Essentials Buds Training Gear Pack comes in to help you prepare for the rigors ahead. There's no going around it. If you want to be a Navy SEAL, you're going to have to put in the time at the pool. And ATAC gives you the tools you need to be well on your way to a successful training regimen. ATACLETE's a veteran-owned company dedicated to giving those who want to serve our country great gear at great deals so that they can get on with their training and crush selection. We've been partnered with them for a year and a half and can attest to the quality of their gear and the impact they've made on special operations hopefuls. But what exactly is in this Buds Training Gear Pack? Well, lucky for you, we're going to show you right here and right now, so let's dive in. Gone are the days where you had to go to random Army-Navy stores or dive shops and buy some expensive gear that isn't tailored to your goals. Instead, it comes to you all in one box. This is a pretty sweet gig ATAC's got going on. The first thing we're pulling out of this bundle are ATAC's jet-style fins. The jet fin is arguably the most proven and tested fin design ever created. Suited for scuba and snorkeling, it is the primary go-to design by military services around the world. In Navy SEAL training, you'll be doing multiple miles-long swims with fins, so you need to get your ankles used to the stress now rather than later. Going to the pool without fins won't cut it. Use these fins to build up that ankle strength and endurance so you're good to go when you hit Coronado. Next up, every pair of fins needs a nice pair of dive boots, and ATAC delivers. Without dive boots, finning would be nearly impossible as your skin would chafe, blister, and it would just suck. A comfortable set of dive boots keeps you focused on finning where you need to fin. These are high-quality 3mm neoprene dive boots, which is material that is tough, durable, and built to last. Whether you're a casual scuba diver or training for selection, you can't go wrong with a pair of these. Moving on to the next item, this is ATAC's low-volume Buds Twin Lens Dive Mask, which happens to come in a pretty cool box. Peep the quote. In SEAL training, you're not going to be wearing goggles in the ocean or the pool. You're going to be wearing a mask. Masks change the way you need to breathe and feel much different from goggles, so you need a decent, comfortable pair to keep you going in the water. ATAC's mask is superior quality and will be an excellent addition to your aquatic training. And now this is ATAC's Easy Breathe Snorkel. It has a rubber mouthpiece that provides extreme comfort during buddy breathing exercises, a large diameter snorkel tube for unobstructed breathing, and a minimal tube and mouthpiece for easy clearing capability. It's your traditional adult snorkel for scuba diving and snorkeling. Last but not least are their knot tying ropes. At Buds, you'll need to learn how to tie 5 underwater knots that you have to tie 15 feet underwater. Don't worry, you can go up and catch your breath for each knot. These ropes are similar to the ones they'll give you in training and can help you hone in on your knot tying skills. And that's everything in this kit. Pretty dang useful. Let's move on to the price and our exclusive offer we got for you. So with that all said, you can get yourself one of these bundles for a measly $279.99. But if you listen up, you can get it even cheaper than that. Save yourself even more money and get an extra 10% off by using our code GENERALDISCHARGE at checkout. To put things into perspective, you can easily find yourself spending upwards of $200 just for a pair of fins. So not only are you getting fins out of this bundle, you're getting a pair of high-quality dive boots, a mask, snorkel, and 2 ropes to come with it, all with a nice discount as the cherry on top. If you're serious about training to become a Navy SEAL, or for a special operations community that will have you in the water, you definitely need to take advantage of this deal. Again, that's code GENERALDISCHARGE at checkout to get 10% off your order store-wide. The link to their website will be in the description below. And speaking of their website, there's more where that came from. ATACLETE offers a variety of products that can help you with your training, regardless of the community you're trying to join. One such product is their Zero Dark Camo Weight Vest Plate Carrier, perfect for taking your workouts to the next level. Make sure to go give their website a look for more gear like this. Well, that is the down and dirty of ATACLETE's Buds Training Gear Pack. This was our first dedicated video on a product we believe was worth sharing with you all. Please let us know what you thought and if there's anything else you'd like to see us cover. If you learned something from this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you for watching. Do you even want to be here?
All your friends are subscribing to General Discharge, and you don't even want to be here.